Welcome to all. Today I am going to discuss with you Unit 1.5 the necklace part 2. Before that, let's recall what we have learned in the previous chapters. Methilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend Mrs. Forresters and she attended the party at the ministry. While returning, she lost the necklace. Mr. and Mrs. Loisel here indicates Methilde and Methilde's her husband struggled for 10 years to repay the loan taken for buying the same diamond necklace. Let's see in detail what are the circumstances to face because of that necklace borrowed from her friend. Part 2 necklace. They looked in the fold of her dress, in the folds of her cloak, in her pockets, everywhere, but they could not find it. Now they are searching the necklace in a dress and of her cloak. Cloak means outer garment and pockets. Everywhere they are searching the necklace, but they could not find it. Are you sure you still had it on when you left the hall? He asked. Now Methilde's husband's asking, are you sure when you are left the hall the necklace is with you, or what he was asking? Yes, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Now she was agreed that she was touched the necklace when she was at the ministry, means a government department where they are in the party. But if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. It must be in the cab. Now he's telling if it is lost in the street. Actually, we should hear that sound of necklace by falling, no? But it must be in the cab. It may be in the cab. Cab means taxis. Yes, that's probably it. Did you take his number? Now we are asking, did you taken his number, contact number? They started at each other, stunned. At last the Loisel put his clothes on again. I am going back, he said. Over the whole route we walked and see if I can find it. So again he was stunned. Stunned means shocked. The Loisel again he was dressed up to search the necklace, was going back the whole route. Both were walked, but they cannot find it. He left. She remained. Methilde's husband, Loisel, he went to search the necklace. He left. She remained in her ball dress at night, her mind blank. Now where she is, she was at home only the whole night. Okay, because of tension, her mind blank out. She had become very much blank. She don't know what to do. Her husband returned about 7 o'clock. Since from morning again he was returned at 7 o'clock. He had found nothing, but he could not find the necklace. He went to the police, to the newspapers to offer a reward, to the cab companies everywhere. The tiniest glimmer of hope led him. So he went to the police to complain about the necklace, to the newspaper, so that he can give some reward, something to those who are finding the things. Then they can reward something, award to the cab companies. Everywhere, even the tiniest glimmer of hope. Already they have lost chance, but very last chance. At least they are trying. At least they could find the necklace. She waited all the day in despair at this frightful disaster. She waited all the day in despair, means absence of hope. Here she lost her hope at this frightful disaster. A sudden, frightful means shocking, disaster, a sudden change, disaster. Loisel returned in the evening, a hollow, pale figure. He had found nothing. You must write to your friend, he said. Tell you have broken the clasp of her necklace and that you are having it mended. It will give us time to look some more. Now, after he went for searching the necklace, then finally was returned home in the evening with a hollow pale figure, means blank figure. He had found nothing. He must now Matilda's husband, he was reporting that to tell your friend that it was broken the clasp of her necklace. Clasp means the to hold both the hand, the hook we can tell, and that you are having it maintained. You are given that for maintained to repair. It will give us time to look some more so that we can search more days. Just you tell her that it was given to the to for mended. She wrote as she dictated. She wrote as he dictated. Now see as how her husband said the similarly she was also discussed with her friend. At the end of 1 week, they had lost all the hopes. By searching 1 week continuously, they are searching, they lost their hopes. And Loisel, who suddenly looked aged, declared, "We must consider how to replace the jewels." No, Loisel, he was looked aged, means suddenly because of tension, he become due to tension, he changed his facial all expressions. Now he was looking like age. It was mentioned here. We must consider how to replace the jewel. Now the whole thinking is going on how to replace the jewel. And so they went from jeweler to jeweler looking for a necklace like the other one, consulting their memories, both sick with grief and anguish. Now they went to jeweler after jeweler, every jewelry shop they are arriving, looking for a same necklace, and just they are consulting their memory, just they are thinking how the necklace was there, the same similar they want to purchase, no? So that's why they are thinking all. So here both sick with grief. Grief means sorrowful, anguish, physical pain, suffering. By searching, they are having a physical pain. In a shop at the Palaces Royal, they found a string of diamonds which seemed to be exactly what they were looking for. It was worth 40,000 francs. They could have it for 36,000. At last, they find one shop in Palaces Royal. They found a string of diamonds. The threading of diamonds seemed to be exactly what they had looked for. It was worth 40,000 francs. They could have it for 36,000. The cost of the necklace they found at 46,000 francs. It's a currency of France, 46,000. Actually, they bargained finally at last 36,000. So they begged the jeweler not to sell it for 3 days, and they made an arrangement that they would take it back for 34,000 francs if the order necklace was found before the end of February. Now they were begged the jeweler. They requested the jeweler not to sell it. How many days? 3 days. And they made an arrangement. They made arrangement for the money. They would have 34,000 francs if the other necklace was found before the end of February. Here they are arranged. At last they arranged how many? 34,000 by the end of February. Actually, Loisel had 18,000 francs, which his father had left him. He would borrow the rest. Now, the Loisel had how many rupees? 18,000 francs. 18,000 currency money of francs. How many? 18,000. Actually, they purchased how much? 40,000 total the cost. Now they would bargain for 36,000. At least they thought that they were arranged 34,000 by the hand. Now how many he had? The Loisel had 18,000. And he did borrow, he gave notes, made renewals agreement, dealt with every type of money lender. Then he went to get the new necklace and laid down on the jeweler's counter 36,000 francs. Now he borrowed everywhere, gave notes, made renewals, heavy loss he did agreement to arrange the money. So from the money lender to get the necklace, he was borrowed everywhere for a high amount of interest. Like at last he paid, arranged for how many? 36,000 francs. When Madame Loisel took the necklace back, Madame Forester said coldly, "You should have written it sooner. I might have needed it." Now she went Loisel, here Methodist, because Mrs. Na. So Madame Loisel. She took the necklace to Madame Forester. She borrowed from Forester. So now she was returning. Okay. Now while returning, Madame Forester is telling, "You should give me some days before so that I needed it." From then on, Madame Loisel knew the horrible life of very poor, but she played part heroically. The dreadful debt must be paid. She would pay it. They dismissed their maid. They changed their lodging. They rented a garret under the roof. Now from that day onwards, Madame Loisel, she started living a horrible life of very poor. She played a heroically, but she didn't lose her confidence here heroically. The dreadful, fearful debt, because they are having worries about how to repay the loan dues all. She would pay it. Now she dismissed their maid. Now she dismissed their maids and changed everything. The lodging, they changed their house. Rented. Now they are living in the rented house. Garret under the roof, a small house under the roof they are now living. She came to know the drudgery of housework, the odysseys of labors of the kitchen. She washed the dishes, the dirty linen. She carried the garbage down to the street every morning and carried up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath, and dressed like a commoner. She had no bargain at markets. She had to bargain at markets, quarrel, and face insults over every miserable soul. Now she came to know the drudgery, means hard work of her house, the odysseys, to repulsive labors of the kitchen. So to all the kitchen work, she wore the dishes, dirty lined cloths, everything, and even she carried the garbage also down to the street every morning. She carried the garbage down, and she carried up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. Every time whenever she carry the water up, she has to take breathe. She has to stop while, then she has to come up to take the water, like that. Dressed like a commoner, poor people like she was dressing now. She had to bargain at markets for a single purchase. She has to bargain, quarrel. Sometimes she fights also, and she has to, due to that, she has to face insult on every miserable. So it's a French coin. For every single coin, she has to bargain, fight, quarrel. These all the things. Each month they had to pay some loans, renew others to get more time. Every month they had to pay some loans at least to renew, to get, because they have purchased for more loan. Due to the necklace, they borrowed a more loan. They could not able to pay. So then to their little they are paying, trying at their level best. Her husband worked extra every evening, doing accounts for a tradesman, and often late to the night he sat copying a manuscript at 5 so a page. Now what her husband is doing, is doing extra work And every evening he does. And doing accountant for a tradesman. For accountant, he's doing all accounts work he was handling now. Late night he was doing, and he sat copying. By copying one page, extra pages to get a manuscript. Manuscript means a page version. Every page is to get a 5. So a page, one page is to get a 5. So means the coin of French coin. So it's to get 5 coins by copying a manuscript, one page. And his life lasted 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had paid off everything, even the interest. They lasted by all this thing happened to repay all the loan. They took it 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they paid off everything. By ending of 10 years, they paid everything along with the interest. Madame Loisel looked old now. Often she brooded over the past. What would have happened if she had not lost that necklace? How strange life is. How fickle. How little is needed for one to be ruined or saved. So, after paying 10 years past, now she's looking very old like, and she brooded over the past. Now she was thinking what had happened in the past. And if she has not lost the necklace, she was thinking, if I would be careful then at that time, so no, it would not happen. She lost that necklace now. So a strange life and fickle change frequently. How little is needed for one to be ruined. Actually, she should not borrow like that and all. Many queries in her mind. One Sunday, she was walking in the Champs Alley. Suddenly, she saw a Madame Forrester, still young, still beautiful, still charming. On one Sunday, she was walking in the Champs Alley. It's the name of the place where it is in France. Suddenly, she saw a Madame Forrester. Madame Forrester still she is looking like young, beautiful, and still charming, attractive, or pretty. Madame Loisel felt emotional. Should she speak of to her? Yes, of course. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? Now Madame Loisel, she felt emotional by seeing Madame Forrester. She thought that to speak with her, whether to speak or not, like that, to doubt was there with her. Then finally she decided to speak with her. She went up to her. Good morning, Jenny. Now she was greeting her. Now Madame Loisel went to Forrester and greeting her good morning. The other astonished to be addressed so similarity by this common woman did not recognize her. She stammered. The other astonished by seeing her. Astonished means shocked. To be addressed familiarity by this common woman. Because previous for the past 10 years and now she had totally changed. She could not recognize. She did not recognize me, identify her. She stammered to say something with difficulty. Very difficulty she's speaking. But madam, I don't know. You must have made a mistake. No, I am Mathilde Loisel. Now, Madame Forrester, she could not able to identify. She said, I don't know what. You must made a mistake. Now she said, I am a Mathilde Loisel. Her friend utterly cried, oh, my poor Mathilde, how you are changed. Now she was started crying by seeing her 10 years. She totally, her face was, Mathilde's face was totally changed. And Loisel's worried about her by saying, yes, I have had some hard times since I had saw you, and many miseries, and all because of you. Now she said, I went under through a hard time, difficult times, and many miseries means lot of suffering I did because of you. Because she's blaming now like She's telling her, Madam Forrester, because of you, I took a lot of pain and suffered. Me, how can that be? Now, Madam Forrester is asking me, how can that be? You remembered. Now, Method Eloises, she was explaining, do you remember that diamond necklace that you lent me to wear to the ministry party? Now, she was long back. What had incident happened? She was recalled that did you remember that diamond necklace that I lent for the where for the ministry party? Yes, well, I lost it. Now she Method Loisel, she was telling that the necklace was lost. What do you mean? You brought it back. Now, Madam Forrester, she's telling that already you gave that necklace, you brought long back. I brought you back another exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. It wasn't easy for us. We had very little, but at last it is over, and I am very glad. Now, what would happen? She was explaining like Method Loisel. I brought the exactly like same like from the I brought and I gave to you. It has taken 10 years to pay the loan, interest, everything to repay it. It was not easy for us. It was a task time, but we did it all. But now I am very glad. Means Method said that now she was very glad. Madam Forrester was stunned. Stunned here means shocked. You said that you brought a diamond necklace to replace mine. Now she was asking Madam Forrester that the necklace which you brought, diamond necklace to replace, did you brought a diamond necklace to replace it? She was asking Madam Forrester. Yes, you didn't notice then they were very similar. Now Method, she said that did you are not notice? It was like same, similar it looks. And she smiled with proud and innocent pleasure. Now Forrester, she was smiled with proud and innocent pleasure, and she was appreciated by her innocence, by Methodist, how she was that. She did know what she brought, she lost, then she replaced it. That incident she was innocent pleasure, she was appreciated here. And Madam Forrester deeply moved to both of her hands. Now Madam Forrester deeply moved to both her hands. Now Methodist hand, she was deeply nearby, she was closing and deeply she took her hands. Oh my poor Method, mine was an imitations. Now she said that Madam Forrester, that poor Method, mine was an imitation, means it was an artificial. It was worth 500 francs at most. Normally the cost of the necklace is 500 francs. Here ends the story. Adapted from The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant. Who was the writer? Guy de Maupassant. At last the story teaches. See what the story teaches. After spending 10 years, so much hardship, wasting away our youth and happiness. See, but she was sincerely replaced the necklace, returned it. Okay, actually it's a hardship. Thank you.